If you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, keep it locked. Hey everyone, thank you once again for tuning in to another episode of Trini Mom Beauty, Natural Beauty, yours, hey, wine and roses. If you guys want to see how I did this afro, oh wait, no, I'm not finished yet. Okay, just it's like I'm not gonna finish. Like, oh my god, I've been doing this, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna finish. Oh my. Okay, just a second, I'll be back with my snap fingers, right? Because like, yo, I feel like I've been doing this forever. Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm down to the last two. And no, I'm not taking my time to undo this, like, because it's not a twist out or anything, it's just a fro. And the easiest way for me, like, since I've been natural like 8 months now to get a fro, is like whenever I take down a protective style, or if my hair is like in cornrows or something and I undo the cornrows, I end up with this, and I love it. I love my natural hair so much. Oh my gosh. I'm like, I feel like, yo, why were you not natural all the time? Okay, so when I come back, this last strand is going to be gone. Alright, so let me. Oh my god, look, that's it. I don't have to do anything else, you know. Let me knock down like a little. So basically all I do, because I don't really use combs in my hair. Oops. I only use combs in my hair like for sectioning and stuff. So yeah. Look, this is 1 year and let me see. I've only been natural 8 months, but I transitioned for a year. So it's like a year and 8 months without relaxing my hair. Mind you, I still have a plait here. What the hell is this? I've been on losing my hair for so long. Chris, help me. Help me. Help me, Chris. Help me. I am not cooking any food for the rest of the week. Okay? You gotta put your foot down with these punks up in here. Put my foot down. Shoot, telling me no. Don't want to help me. Hey, no, pay back on. He's so mean. Oh my god. Okay, guys, and this is my fro. Yes. I'm gonna go back a little so y'all can get the life of this fro. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Feel free to hit that thumbs up button if you like puppies, and if you're not a dog person, you're a cat person. And if you like kitties, hit that thumbs up button. And also hit that thumbs up button just because today is the day I post this video. And also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. When you subscribe, hit that little notifications button right there. That will let you know every time I upload a new video. Trini Mom Beauty is out. Bye guys.